If you're looking for light under your kitchen cupboard, this is for you. So this is the rechargeable motion sensor LED light with 3 different colour light settings. It comes with a free Type-C USB charger as well, which is handy. You can set them to be on always, or set them to come on when they detect motion, and they are really super sensitive. It's so easy to install as they come with 2 sticky pads that slide on and off. They are currently on sale for £3.99 for the 40cm or 2 for £7.59. I'll tag them in my yellow basket.